Hope everybody's doing well. I ordered a suction cup for my car for my GoPro. So while I'm driving, if I want to record, I can just turn on the GoPro and record, but it has to be sunny outside or else their videos are kind of dark. Anyways, it arrived today. It came in this envelope. I ordered it from Amazon. And the bottom part, I don't know if somebody had cut it or if it just came apart by itself, but hopefully everything's in here, because when I was walking back from the mailbox, this happened. So hopefully everything's in here. If not, I'll be complaining to the company. So this is what the box looks like. So this is sealed shut, so I like that. So at least I know this is okay. So I'm gonna open it, see what's inside. Hopefully everything's in there, because I don't know if anything else was supposed to come with it. Okay, so this shows me what it looks like. It should look like. There's the mount for the GoPro. It says right here, we look forward to responding to your inquiry within 24 hours. So it says they have a customer service. That's good to know. Well, that's really all it says. So well, let's see what happens. Okay. All right, let me get my GoPro now. Somewhat similar to the what I use the GoPro on when I walk. There. Tighten it up there, tighten it up there. Okay, so I guess this part, remove it, plastic. Mount this on the, or suction cup will go on the windshield. I could put it like this, or if I want to loosen this, I guess I can move it. Yeah, I can. Okay, so tomorrow when I leave, I'll attach it to the, or suction cup it to the windshield, and then go from there and see how it works. Put this on the windshield and then go like that. Okay, so tomorrow when I leave, I will take this with me. I'll attach it to the windshield, test it out, show you guys how I do it. We'll see if it works. Keeping my fingers crossed, because you never know when you order stuff online. So I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully it works out. Okay, I'm sitting in my car. This is the picture and the instructions. So I've mounted it, but the way the camera's angled, I don't know if I can record when I'm driving, so I'm going to give it a go and see how it works. I'll be back and let you know, okay? All right. Let me lower that. See if I can get a better angle. So I mounted in my windshield. I drove for maybe 20, 30 seconds, maybe a minute. And I've attached the video, the footage. It is pretty secure. So yes, I would say that SameTop suction cup mount is a pretty good product. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for my channel for future videos that are coming out. Have a good one.